Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf, and it's the moment you've all been waiting for. I finally have MayMay and Greenie Meanie, the new Furblets. Firstly, I apologise for my voice. I'm recovering from a cold, so if I sound a bit hoarse, that's why. Secondly, I did pre-order these like everyone else on Amazon.com, the American one. They don't come out in the UK till August, and they weren't supposed to come out in America till May. I did pre-order them, like I said. Other people were getting theirs. Mine weren't shipped. So I cancelled my order, and then I ordered them with express shipping, and that's why I have them now. Who knows if my original order would ever have got sent, and I found that this is an issue with Amazon.com that I've encountered before with the original Furbies, the 2023 ones that is. I pre-ordered it, they didn't send them. So I ended up cancelling it and just buying it again. So in the future, I'm going to wait for the release date and just order it. As I am recording this, Aurora Furby Alice is now available on American Amazon. It's not shipping internationally. So I've sent it to my friend in Missouri, and she's going to send it on to me so that I can unbox that for you guys as well. So I am trying to get hold of it as fast as possible. I got next day delivery on it, so she'll receive it and then send it on to me, hopefully as soon as possible. So let's open these guys. So we'll open it, I suppose, this end, like that, with my trusty scissors. Could have used a knife for this, but I thought, oh well, I'll just use my scissors. So this, I think they are selling the Furblets in a pack of 2, as opposed to singly now. Obviously these guys come together. They are advertised as being fierce and fabulous or good versus evil on Amazon. So let's see what they look like. So we've got Greenie Meanie, and here's the first one. There he is. And then some cardboard in there. Pull that out. And MayMay, which means love, love, I believe, or maybe just love in Furbish. Right, we've got the instructions here as well, and all the other extra bits and pieces that go with it. So this is all your battery information, do not eat them, etc. This is something to do with basically Hasbro, who make them, where you can contact them. And then we've got the instructions here, and here they are. So fluff up their hair a bit. Let's move this down slightly so we've got a better view of them. There they are. Okay, so So even though she's really cute, she still farted and burped. So taking a closer look at her, you can see she's all in nice pastel colours. She's got little yellow feet underneath, rainbow coloured hair, which kind of reminds me of the hair off the tie-dye Furby, and a little pink clip, and very soft pastel coloured ears and fur. And she's kind of orange and pink all over, and she's got little ribbons in her eyes, if you can just see them there. And her little faceplate is actually sparkly. You can see in the light there. So I think to get her to go to sleep, right, so let's wake up Greenie Meanie. He sounds kind of emo, actually. I wasn't expecting that. Wow, the enthusiasm there. Right, so he's sort of green underneath. He reminds me of Beetlejuice, actually, which is why I like the design, because I'm a big fan of Beetlejuice. And I think he agrees. He doesn't look quite as angry as the drawing on the box. He does look kind of angry, but not like really angry. He's got little skulls in his eyes there. He is black and white striped. And his little clip matches his hair. And he's got green inside his ears. It'd be cool if that glowed in the dark, actually. So he's kind of like... He just seems a bit emo to me. So the instructions probably say what we already know about Furblets. But if you don't already know about Furblets, you know that you hold your finger on there, press it down and hold it to turn them off. Like that. And then you just press it to turn them back on again, as it shows you here. And you're feeding them, clipping their ears down, how to use the clip on your bag or whatever. Various different functions which we have been through. It enters sleep mode after 1 minute of no interaction. I do apologise, like I said, I have a cold. How he interacts with the Furby, and then press and hold at the same time their mouths to get them to interact. So let's get them to talk to each other. So as you can see, the harmonizing is just that, as far as I'm aware. They're just doing the same thing over and over. I'll do it one more time to make sure. Yep, it's just the same thing. Which is a pretty simple harmonizing, much like all the other ones do. But I think they're pretty cool. It's nice that they've done one that's kind of more aimed at boys. And I do like the design and everything. It's not pink and girly. I apologise for the coughing. So yeah, yeah, I like them. I think they're pretty cool. They are an Amazon exclusive. You can only buy them at the moment from Amazon.com. But as I said, they're available on the UK Amazon for pre-order. If you want to get them, they will come out in August over in the UK, or you can just buy them from Amazon.com. They are kind of more interacting now that I've kind of left them alone, actually. And just as I stop talking, they go to sleep. So yeah, if you press and hold their beaks like I did, they harmonise, and I think then they're kind of interacting together. So yeah, they're entertaining. I like them, and I think they'll fit in well with all the other ones. And I will, of course, do a video of them all together. But right now, my voice is giving out, so yeah, I'm going to sign off there. If you want to see more Furby videos, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you want to check out my Etsy and your Monday stores, feel free. Links are in the description, as is my Ko-fi link if you want to buy me a coffee. It all helps if you enjoy what I do. And stay safe, stay healthy, unlike me. And keep being awesome. This is Sylv signing off.